we have more news coming in at this point in time, a series of political reactions, and now Milind Deora has hit out at the UBT Sena, Uddhav Thackeray faction at the Maharashtra Narv Nirman Sena led by cousin Raj Thackeray. Deora says BMC results have put an end to the soap opera of Mumbai politics. City prefers progress and accountability over melodrama and masala, says Milind Deora. So it's a dig that has now been taken, talking about the loss of the Thackeray cousins in these elections and the win of the Mahayuti, saying that the people have chosen. Ritvik, a voice really from within the Mahayuti, talking about the fact that the opposition has lost out, the Thackerays have lost out, and of course the narrative that has been here is that dynastic politics, in that sense, will never triumph, isn't it, given that it's been a loss for the Thackeray cousins. Ritik, if you can hear me, you can also in fact take us through the details of the celebrations as the Mahayuti continues to take a not one but several jibes here at the Thackeray cousins and at the loss of UBT and MNS.
Yes, absolutely. BJP headquarters all set for huge celebrations, and within some time, CM Devendra Fadnavis expected with a grand welcome, planned here at BJP office. And if I can ask my VJ to just show in the atmosphere around the BJP headquarters in Nariman Point. The stage is already set, and we can see the banner where the poster which clearly says in Marathi that now the era of corruption has ended and Mumbaikars has taken a sigh of relief, is what the poster says. And they have also taken jibe at the Thackeray brand, so-called Thackeray brand, which was in the epicenter of the campaign of Thackeray brothers. They are saying that Mumbai se sevak hates Mumbai se nagar sevak, which also means that the one who will serve Mumbai will only be the corporator of Mumbai, and there will be no Thackeray brand existing, or there will be no brand existing in Mumbai other than the one who serves Mumbai. So this is how a befitting reply is being given by BJP to the Thackeray brothers through all these symbolic, posters, be it the flags where we can see not just BJP flags, but also RPI flags can be seen together, which also symbolizes that how they fought in unity, in alliance together, and not in bits and parts. And like MVA had no relevance together because Congress chose to fight alone, and Thackeray brothers united with NCP Sharad Pawar faction. But here they want to show that they were united, they were fighting together. We can see not just BJP but also Shinde Sena and RPI. Also here, if we come inside the office, if we go inside the office, we can see how BJP Karyakartas in huge numbers have gathered here to welcome the Deva Bhau, what he's fondly called now. And we can also see a band, a brass band, which is the iconic the face of Mumbai, the brass band, which has been called, and it also symbolizes the Kori community of the Mumbai. So be it Koli community, be it fishermen's community, or be it Dabewalas of Mumbaikar, everyone has come here to BJP headquarters to join in the celebration of BJP, who are now going to, claim BMC after 30 years of rules of Thackerays.